What's up, you guys? We're going to be doing a lip sync video today. So as you're watching this video, you'll notice that there's someone lip syncing. You'll hear beautiful audio. However, they are not playing in this moment. They are faking it. We are going to do the same thing. We're going to create lip sync videos to help ourselves sound the best that we possibly can and provide a visual aspect for our community that's watching it. So how do we do this kind of thing? You're going to videotape yourself fingering and faking the play on your instrument while the song is playing. You're going to make sure that every bit of that song is faked correctly, so no misfires with your fingers, no misblows, because the moment that they can tell that your audio and video are not synced up, they'll understand that it's a faked product. When you go to do this, make sure that you don't play out loud so you can focus on your fingerings and the timing of the music. When you're finished, make sure you listen back to it and ensure that your faking of performance lines up with the music that you heard. When you send it to me, I will strip the audio from the performance, and then I'll add in the good audio from our previous SmartMusic recordings to that video source. You'll submit a song that you've successfully completed in SmartMusic up to this point, one that you have passed off according to the tracker. If you've passed off Good King Wenceslas already, go ahead and lip sync that song to save yourself an extra step. So when I come into SmartMusic, I'm going to scroll down to recently graded assignments. I'm going to find one that I feel really good about. I'm going to click on that song. So if you look down here, I'm going to click on Hot Cross Buns. It'll bring up my recording. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into Canvas and I'm going to compose a message to Mr. Butler. And I'm going to write Hot Cross Buns lip sync video. And then I'm going to hit this little media record button. I'm going to make sure I look good, but I'm looking nice. I'm going to make sure I get my instrument out, making sure my hair is fresh, making sure you can see my whole instrument in the camera, because I want you to be able to see me, right? Okay, everything looks good. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start recording. And again, this doesn't matter where you start recording from. I can delete all the dead space. So hit start recording, take your time, don't be rushed. I'm going to come over here to this page and then I'm going to record it. The one thing that'll be kind of hard about this is hitting play and not missing the first note. You might want to have somebody else hit the play button for you because that's kind of tricky. I'm going to try to do it myself. I'm going to have my left hand on the flute and my right hand on the play button, okay? I'm going to take a breath before hit play. Now I'm going to head back over to my Canvas message. I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to preview it and make sure that I'm getting the sound that I want out of it. So you'll be able to hear yourself when you listen back to your video and you can make sure that you're playing alongside of it. Just make sure you look happy, like you are good at your instrument, and that'll be all that I ask for in this. If you feel like it's together, great. Then you can hit save media. If you don't feel like it's very good, hit start over and try it again. I'm going to save the media. It's going to take it a second because this is a longer video. Give your computer and your internet time when you click save video, save media. Once it's in there though, it'll be ready to hit send, and then I will get it. If you have any questions about how to complete this process, let me know. The main thing that you need to understand is just making sure that you look great, that your audio syncs up with your fingers and your mouth embouchure as you blow, and that you have a nice backdrop. So try not to record in your closet. Make sure there's plenty of light. Have someone hit the play button for you on your SmartMusic recording so that you don't have to do what I did and miss the first note. That's never great. All right, you're going to be great. This is a pretty easy one once you kind of grasp what I'm talking about here. Shouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to complete once you've watched this video. Good luck. I look forward to seeing your lip sync videos.